venture capital funded firms such as Yatra.com, Newgen Software Technologies Limited, and Center for Sight are considering an initial public offer, an IPO, and have already started the groundwork and have started meeting bankers, according to several investment bankers who have met these companies. This is a sort of a new trend in the industry because typically the venture capital funded firms, venture capital funds look to exit their investee companies either through mergers and acquisitions or through sale to other larger private equity investors. Experts say that even though VCs are now looking at taking their portfolio companies public, it is not that we will see all VC companies going public. It's only the ones which have achieved a certain scale and size are the ones which will go for the IPO route. Traditionally, VCs which have listed their companies in overseas stock markets such as New York have seen very good returns, generally have seen good returns, experts say, as well as the companies when they list overseas are able to tap a broader set of investors rather than when they list in the Indian markets. VC investors say that investments made by venture capital funds during the period of 2006-7 are now maturing, as it has been almost 7 to 8 years. These companies are now maturing and they have attained a certain scale, and hence it is possible for these companies to think about an IPO. In terms of the three companies that we mentioned, Center for Sight has been in talks with bankers and is looking at raising approximately 250 to 300 crores through an IPO within the next 12 months. Newgen Software Technologies Limited is looking at an IPO of almost 450 to 500 crores. Also, with a view to help startups and venture-backed firms exit through the IPO in IPO markets in India, the markets regulator SEBI on Monday released the discussion paper on alternate capital raising platform to provide an alternative exit opportunity for informed investors such as angel investors and venture capital funds.